Maharashtra Scooters Q3 FY26 results out, profit up sharply or key highlights. Maharashtra Scooters has reported its financial results for the third quarter of FY26, delivering a strong bottom-line performance that stands out this earnings season. For the quarter ended December 31, 2025, the company reported total income of around 644 lakh rupees. Despite relatively stable operational activity, profitability saw a sharp improvement during the period. Profit after tax for the quarter rose significantly to approximately 4,126 lakh rupees. This increase was driven largely by non-operational income and strategic financial decisions rather than core manufacturing volume growth. The company continues to undergo a gradual transition in its business model. Alongside its traditional scooter manufacturing operations, investment-related income is playing a more prominent role in overall earnings. During the quarter, certain one-time items impacted the financials. These included expenses related to employee separation schemes as well as gains arising from asset-related transactions. Deferred tax liabilities also increased during the period, reflecting changes in the tax position and recognition of temporary differences. These factors influenced reported profit figures for the quarter. From an operational standpoint, Maharashtra Scooters maintained stability in its core business. Cost discipline and efficient management helped support margins despite limited top-line expansion. The strong net profit highlights the company's ability to generate value through disciplined capital allocation. This approach has helped offset slower growth in traditional operating income. For investors, it is important to distinguish between recurring earnings and one-off gains. Future performance will depend on how consistently investment income contributes to overall profitability. The company's evolving structure suggests a lower dependence on manufacturing volumes alone. This diversification could provide earnings stability but may also introduce variability based on market conditions. Looking ahead, market participants will closely track how Maharashtra Scooters balances its operating business with investment activities. Sustainability of profits will remain a key focus area. Overall, MAHSCOOTERS Q3 FY26 results reflect strong reported profitability and a clear strategic shift. The coming quarters will be critical in understanding how this transition shapes long-term shareholder value.